हाँ, पानी कैसा है?
बहुत ठंडा है, बहुत ठंडा।
तक भी गए ना,
बहुत।
क्योंकि शिकार के सिलसिले में हम गए हुए थे। और चलो एक दो क्या नाम है अपना, वो बेकर तो हमें बेकर मिल गए, वो इंशाल्लाह भी पका रहे होंगे साथ ही। थकावट भी काफ़ी हो गई, लेकिन ये पसीना निकल गया, मज़ा आया।
इतना ठंडा पानी आपने कभी देखा ही नहीं होगा।
बिल्कुल, कहाँ देखा है।
बहुत ठंडा है।
ये देख, वह सादे पड़ी है।
चले पानी पिए।
नहीं पिया जाता, बड़ा ठंडा है।
ठंडा है बहुत।
हाथ ठंडे हो गए यार, रुकी रखता हूँ।
मौसम भी ख़राब हो चुका है।
अभी बस खाना खा कर रही से
निकलेंगे इंशाल्लाह।
जाएंगे। ये बंदूक मुझे पकड़ा है। अच्छा तो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ ये इन्होंने तड़का लगाया हुआ है, मेरे ख्याल में मुर्ग बना रहे हैं। तो आपको मुर्ग मिला था? ये सारे फ्रेंड्स यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, ये ऐसी हस्तियाँ हैं, क्या बताऊँ इनके बारे में। ये हमारा एक बेहतरीन दोस्त है, और मैं समझता हूँ कि ये एक बड़ा स्पेशल पुर्जा है हमारे स्कूल का। एंड यू आर द पीपल हु सपोर्ट मी, एंड विदाउट योर सपोर्ट, विदाउट योर कोऑपरेशन, to work, to run the school, to work at the school is difficult for me. It's almost impossible. This is due to all of you. You people are cooperative, you are hardworking and honest. And due to all these things, today we have,
But your,
uh,
your
achieved
cooperation,
a status in the entire
especially
district.
in the journey from Sakarga towards these hilly areas,
Ah.
climbing on the mountains and rocky areas, and on the way, as you treat with us, and as you cooperate with us, we especially thank for that, and because. I think that
You're welcome, you're welcome, inshallah. My cooperation with you will be continued in future as well.
behind that, I think that was also that you spend a lot of time in the Pak Army and a tough life in the Siachen glaciers.
Yes.
And also your stamina was very good, and your experience about these areas, how to climb and how to journey these areas, and we also because the luggage.
So, dear friend, dear sir, you told about my, ex-service when I was in army. So I'm telling you that as a soldier, I have spent a reasonable period in Pakistan army, and mostly I have served at borders, particularly in Siachen Glacier. And this is, a great honor for me that I've spent 6 years in Siachen Glacier. And my friends who were with me in the army, my officers and my soldiers, the NCOs and the JCOs, they know that how did I perform my duty there. I was very tough, and I always supported my weak friends.
Yeah, no, so it's looking that the army service gave you a lot of benefits,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and your stamina, your body,
Yeah, yeah.
your fitness.
Yes.
These are due to the previous job that you performed.
Yeah, yeah.
And you are soldier still. You are
You are
energetic.
absolutely true, and all these things. I have learned all these things in army. Pakistan is our country, and we have to do everything for our country. If there is our country, we will be there, and thus in our survival and everything depends upon our country. So inshallah, we have worked well. I will perform an exemplary service in Pakistan Army, and inshallah in education department we will also create a name, and we will serve the people, particularly the poor people. You know that poor people come to government schools mostly. So like areas, in areas like Sakarga. These are, rural areas, so people are poor and they need to be educated. So we, inshallah, will continue our mission.
Yeah, Nawasib, we also appreciate your cooperation and your company, and I think that it will be if it will be very hard and tough for the common people to climb on this mountain, and you have to travel on these treks. Uh, and that what one I think that one was your experience and your cooperations that we came here in 5 hours.
Uh,
We started journey tomorrow
uh,
from 2 a.m. 2 p.m.
uh,
and we reach here
Almost
to 7.
7 o'clock. So it was a
1 o'clock.
long journey.
It was a long journey.
You're
And
true. You're
as
true. I agree with you 100%.
and
But it was an uphill task. And when we reached there, I realized that all of you were tired. So I, that at night I pressed all of you to relax you, to provide you with comfort.
I think that beautiful ground and the greenery like the paradise.
Yes.
But the path that
Yeah, 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 yeah.
came that like a hell.
True.
When
You are correct.
pass from the these treks, it is very difficult
Exactly.
for simple and common people
Exactly.
to travel and climb on these mountains.
You told that it's a paradise on earth. So you are correct. But you are also correct. You are also true that the way is very very difficult. There's no road, and you have to come on foot. So no facility. Though the people are very hospitable, local people, and they will try to feed you, and they will try to give you tea for taking. They will serve with you with different mushrooms,
Also,
beverage.
when we came tomorrow and 7 o'clock, there was a condolence.
Uh,
But instead of the condolence,
yeah, 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 yeah.
uh, they was they
When
were
we reached, they prohibited us to do cooking. So they told us that they would do everything, but later on, suddenly there occurred an incident and a person died. So they had to leave their homes and to go there at night. For he was their relative, and they have their own traditions, due to which then we did our arrangement. But at night, they provide us with shelter, and they give us tea to
their beds,
yeah,
for
beds,
and
quilts, sheets.
camel sheets.
Yeah, they and yeah, in the morning they serve us with breakfast.
Breakfast.
So these are good people, and
One another thing, Mr. Nawasib, I think that I feel here that at the top of the Pakistan, there is a ground which is Baleja ground.
yeah, yeah,
And here, I don't think that from where the children here came, they are playing the cricket and
Yeah.
they are the fond of the cricket.
Ah.
And the very mannerful methods. They also know about the cricket. Very, I think I conversate with
Sir, you are correct. You will have noticed that when we were coming there, when we reached there, these children came to us and they, helped us in bringing our luggage and our bags, etc. So these children are very good. And when we reached here, they brought cool water. Yeah,
from a distance of
yeah, from long distance.
12, 13 minutes.
Yeah, yeah.
But
So
the one thing is here is very that the cattle are very low cost, but from there we cannot buy here because we
to carry them is difficult.
carrying from these.
It is told, sir, that it's flesh. Meat is very tasty. very tasty, and people like to buy it, start slaughtering for sacrifices during Eid. So the all these are due to the nature, grass.
Access is very difficult here from these cattle and carrying them also.
Uh,
The main.
main issue is the road. The road is the only issue,
I
and
think the road will be also bring a lot of benefit, but also demerits of also errors. These trees will cut after the road, and you will see the forest here is the thick forest and the pine trees. You look
sir,
at the-
here